How to manage military units on VK on Android or iOS phone. First, open VK and then click on your profile and click these 3 points in the top corner. Then click edit profile. Now scroll down and click military service. Here is it, and that's it. Then just click add military unit, and that's it. Just add your military unit here and click this save icon in the top corner if you want to save it. And I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.